Foreskin.
Okay.
Oh, top of the roof. Got him.
Nice, that means there's more around because he didn't die.
I need to get out of the water. I couldn't shoot my...
I don't see where he was.
He was on the roof of this
On the
building.
roof where Dooman is.
God damn, I can't parkour. Parkour! Parkour!
I'm trying to go kill him, finish him off.
Alright, I'm trying to find him. Oh, that was fucking Jeff.
That's me, Jesus Christ.
Did I hit you?
Oh, coming in, coming in, coming in.
Bottom floor. I don't know where he
Somebody
went.
help me out. He's in your building. He's in your building.
On the bottom floor?
Bottom floor.
Okay.
Help him out.
He's dead.
I just heard it for a second.
Yeah, there's a vehicle.
Yep, Jeep-ish.
I'm gonna shoot at it if it comes by us,
Yeah,
which
me
it sounds
too.
like it's going to.
I got
It's gonna
40
come in
rounds.
between us, Jeff. I think it's gonna come in between us.
You guys
coming
get
to my
ready back
left.
there. Oh, he's over the fucking side of the hill. I can't
So
see
much
him.
blood. How are they alive?
God damn, man. I couldn't see him. I didn't have a line on him.
That sucks, dude.
How much? Dude, they gotta be
They're
lit
way the
so
fuck
bad.
down there, too.
Yeah, they took off. No, 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 no more shooting. Dude, they're so
Well-
far away. Please stop shooting them.
I'll get that rock then. Heading that
That's going down at those houses there.
way. Got guys to our 105. Very far off, crossing the road. They're going north.
I'm still kind of watching our west.
I'm kind of watching our east still. Oh, another guy, 120.
Yeah, I saw him.
He's got to be part of that group then that crossed, right?
No, he's by himself. I almost wanted to shoot him. He's looting someone. Should I shoot him?
The other guy at east.
He's so
Across the
far
road.
away.
Uh,
Yeah, they're pretty far off.
I can't see any of these people that you're talking about.
He's crossing the road. He's right at east from me. Past the car, just over the car. Now he's going up that way some more. I'm gonna lose him.
care package landed right in that town.
Oh, good. They'll all kill each other then. Yeah.
Only 8 other people alive.
Well, they found each other.
I'm in the circle. There's a guy on the second floor of the building closest to us.
Which window?
He's moving around a lot.
try to make it up.
He
to-
closed. He just closed the door.
Ah, pff.
I hear you.
Should I take a shot? I see a guy to 60.
There's guys in this house right next to me.
Are you shooting or are we shooting?
I'm shooting just to distract him from you guys.
Okay.
There's only 6 left. It's 4 and 2. Us 4 and 2 of them.
Well,
There's
there's
one of the
guy to
guys is in this
60.
house.
I'm taking shots from the guy in the house. I'm gonna heal up. He's probably gonna try to flank me.
You got me over here with you.
Grenade.
One knocked out. Throwing another nade. Be careful.
Okay.
He didn't die. Go up there. Hit him low.
Oh, he's lit. He's lit. Get on here now.
Move!
He's in this room.
Move! What are you doing?
To the left. To the left. Straight in front of you. Yep.
Oh my God, that's my
Why
first
were you
one
in
too.
the door just waiting there?
Sorry,
Right.
man.
I'm like, he's almost fucking dead.
No, I'm trying to get up the stairs. He's just blocking him.
Wow,
I'm
that was
sorry.
awesome. I was watching our fucking outside. I don't know what happened to that guy that was over there. Weird.
Only had 1 kill. 40.
Probably got killed by the zone.
Shooting at you out of the window.
Yeah, I have to watch the replay to figure that out. Thanks,
I'm
guys.
like, well, if the guy's down in the house up there, the other guy has to be in there with him.
This is
so I
my
just
first
rushed
chicken
it.
dinner, so
Mine
Oh, yeah.
too.
yeah.
I knocked
thanks,
one
guys.
of them down,
Yeah.
then came in, cleaned him
Ever?
up. 4 kills.
Ever.
Yes. Yes.
No.
Yeah, dude.
Wow. Well, cool.
We suck. Not
And
You
we
guys-
did it as a whole squad. All of us lived.
Yeah, we all lived.
How many
I was-
kills did you get? We had
I only got
total,
one,
right?
dude.
4.
I got none.
1.
I got 10
So a
kill
total
points.
of 6 kills.
No kills, no hit points.
I got 10 kill points and
I didn't
15
really. That
hit
was the
points.
first time I shot my gun. I almost the whole game, I think.
I got down.
Or no, the guy in the house that I killed. Yeah.
You were kicked by match, and well, fuck you too.
I don't.
Living in the city, in my city.
Try to work toward those
Shots
rocks.
on
You guys
hill.
see the rocks
Yes.
like near northeast?
75.
East. Ooh, shots up the hill? Yep, I'm getting shot at. From the city, obviously, but I heard something up the hill too.
Oh, I'm getting shot at.
Here comes the encroaching wall. The rocks are on the wrong side of it, it looks like.
No, we're good.
There is going to be people up the hill from us north.
Fuck.
I'm
You already
working up
see
They
them?
there.
gotta be pretty close.
Yeah, exactly.
These other
If
rocks
they
you
are
can
here.
make too.
Oh, I just got shot at. Getting shot at.
That was real close. I can't tell if
They
there's
are
people
just
up there.
terrible. They're so bad.
Maybe they're running irons, man. I mean, we're not far from that.
This far in the game?
Yeah, I know. Dude, we barely got hollows, so come on. I found a grenade, so it paid off.
Oh, right next to me. Right next to me. Right next to me.
I'm down too.
Another one there.
I got them
Got 'em.
both.
Nice job.
I don't even
I'm
see
crawling
him.
inside the circle. Then you
Check for
hurry up
boost.
and pick me
I'm
up,
getting
though.
Josh. Josh, go to that tree. Make
Stop.
sure you're in.
I gotta make sure
We're
I'm in
in.
the circle so you don't get killed. Phew.
Check for boost if you can.
I
I
see
just-
guys crawling. I see a guy crawling.
Direction.
Well, as soon as you pick me up, kill him.
Direction. What?
You have a silencer?
Give me a fucking note. What direction, man? Where are you?
He knocked him out,
I killed
and he
him.
killed him. What do you got, like 5 kills now? 4?
4.
You're not
Oh,
sure,
you loot
huh?
that one, I'll loot this guy. 5 first aid kits, so I have 6 now.
Nice.
So there's only
I'm
8
down to 2. Ooh, energy drink. Did you need those?
Take that, please. I have a. Who has a SMG? There's a suppressor right here. I'm grabbing the scar.
He's got 6 painkillers. You taking any of those?
I'll take a couple.
Oh man, I could use some painkillers. Can I have a couple of those? Oh my god, you guys left the silencer for the AK? Thank you.
Where are the painkillers? Did somebody take
I
them
just
all?
dropped some first aid kits for you guys.
Oh, here, I'll
how
drop
far
2.
we
He
got a
dropped
ways to
4.
go.
Can I
Yep.
get one of those painkillers?
2. They're there.
Look how far we have to go.
Oh, a band. Fuck, I need to grab that before we go.
In the middle of the open too, even better.
God damn. At least we got some boosts now.
Do you want to go straight across on the side of that hill there?
I'm
We're
getting
getting shot at. He's to our right.
from the city. I think.
I got hit a little bit, but
No, it's from our east.
oh wow.
We might be getting shot at from 2 different directions.
Yeah, I
I'm
think so.
down.
That's a suppressor. Yeah, the suppressor's
just-
on our west.
You have to leave him, or you're gonna die because the map's coming right now.
Oh yeah.
don't- Damn it. Weakest link.
Yeah, you are. Son bitch.
Okay, you
Oh,
guys got
great.
some guys on the south. Or, well, he's south of me. Hill in the
That
middle
didn't
of-
help, Josh.
Hill in the middle of the valley. Yeah, yeah.
Is real as shooting.
Yeah, he is.
He's outside the zone. Oh fuck.
I couldn't hit him. There's 2 guys directly to your right.
Okay.
Direction.
Probably the ones that are shooting me.
Directly to your right.
Yeah, I
By
think I'm
that
getting
tree
hit
and
by
car there.
Oh, you're down.
other people. I'm trying to
Yeah,
head up.
like he might not have made it. I think they died. They died outside of the play zone. I got down from my left, so your left as well.
Yep. Ah, I just boosted
Get
too.
behind the tree, dude. There's only 3 other people.
Wow. He was on the other side.
Use a
wasn't
med kit. Use a med kit.
I am, man. I'm boosting. Was he over by that Jeep?
I assume so. I didn't actually see the guy, but from the direction you got shot.
If
where
you
you're
guys
hiding
have
at,
smokes, you might want to throw them toward that tree because you have to move toward them.
I don't.
I don't either.
God, you guys don't pick up smokes? What the fuck?
No,
I do. I
fuck
just
no.
fucking haven't seen him.
Okay, I'll be your decoy, man. I'm gonna run. Weapons put up.
You can get behind that structure. There should be a cement base. Yeah, there's a cement base. It's tiny. Oh, I saved 1 bullet.
Prone.
Oh, I see you. I see you, big fella. Wow, that tree.
Keep working right to those trees over there. You have to.
Serpentine.
Was that a team of 3 that were fighting over there?
Yeah, there's
There
a
he
guy
is.
right in
No,
front of
guy right in
us.
front of you. Right in front of you.
Yeah, I know.
75.
I'm gonna try to get some cover first. Where the fuck did
Okay,
his...
he died. He died. Jeff killed him.
Oh,
And there's at least 1 guy over here. I don't know.
There's two
He
up
died
there.
immediately.
Go help Jeff out. Go help Jeff out. Go help Jeff out.
Okay.
There's only 2 other left. It's 2 on 2 right now. If you guys have nades, you might want to throw them. They have
I don't
to be in
have
the
any
circle with
nades.
you.
I have no nades, no nothing.
They're probably in their smokes, so
Yeah.
play it safe.
I don't have nades. I have something though.
There he is.
There is.
Where?
Right in the
15.
Don't use your Uzi, dude. Use a different gun.
Yeah.
Nice. To your right. To his right. To his right. Last guy.
Yeah, I see him. Did I get that guy?
Yeah, you downed him.
Wow. I love that
One's
micro.
down. There's only 1 left.
I'm boost. Oh yeah, buddy.
Nice job, guys.
Yeah,
Nice
2 in a
job.
row. Yeah. Fucking sweet. I'm
I
shaking,
don't think
man.
I've ever won 2 games in a row. Like,
Yeah.
I'm positive I haven't won 2 squad games in a row like that.
Really? Didn't we do it with Bristol? Or who did we do it with?
Maybe we did.
We definitely did.
Well,
I
it's
won 2 in a
definitely
row.
my first 2 in a row since it was my first. Now, hey,
2 ever?
yeah, first 2 ever and in a row. It's my
Nice.
lucky night.
I only
Yeah,
got
yeah.
4 kills. How many did you guys get?
I just got
2.
1.
I didn't even get any hit points again.
I got 2 right at the end there.
Josh is good bait, man. That's all he's good for.
Third to last and the
Apparently.
last.
Hey, that worked out, man. Awesome.
Yeah, great job, guys. Fucking back-to-back chicken dinners.
Yeah. If you get 3 in a row, it should be even better, right?
You guys ought to send me
Then
your
it's-
chiropractor.
I think they call it turkey dinner.
Hey,
Yeah.